Good morning, students. Today's topic is graph theory. The topic graph theory has comes under four headings. The first is definition, second is incidence matrix, third is die-set matrix, fourth is cut-set matrix. These four topics will be covered under this topic. The first one are definitions. The definitions under this topic are: first is graph. What is graph? If all elements are replaced by a line and voltage source are short circuited in a network while current source are open circuited in a network, then we have the graph of that network. The graph is drawn by first marking the nodes and then joining these nodes by lines. Suppose in this circuit, if we mark all the four nodes and the inductor, capacitor, resistor are replaced by lines and the voltage source is short circuited, then the graph is drawn. Below here the graph is drawn of this circuit. Next topic is oriented graph or direction graph. If all the branches of graph are represented with arrows, then that graph is called as a oriented graph or direction graph. These arrows indicate the direction of current flow in each branch. If a graph in all the branches having arrows, then it is called oriented or directed graph. The arrow is showing the direction of the current in that branch. Next is planar graph. A graph which is drawn on two dimensional is said to be planar if two branches do not intersect or cross at a point which is other than a node. The diagrams are given for planar graph. If a graph is drawn on a plane, two dimension plane, it is known as planar graph. Non-connected graph. The figure is showing non-connected graph. The circuit which is electrically isolated. The graph of such circuit is called the non-connected graph. Subgraph. It is the subset of branches and nodes of the given graph. Subgraph contains branches and nodes less than the original graph. A graph has many subgraphs. If we draw some part of a graph, then that is known as subgraph. Suppose here a graph is given and there are many examples of subgraph are shown. Next is tree. Tree of any graph is subgraph which contains all the nodes of given graph. There can not be any closed path in a tree of a graph. One graph may have many trees. The graph, the tree contains all the nodes of a graph and there is not containing any closed loop in the tree. Tree is not having any closed loop. Suppose the for the above graph there can be many trees. The example of trees are shown here. Twigs. Trees branches are generally known as the twigs. The number of twigs on a tree is always one less than the number of nodes. The branches of the tree are known as twigs. The number of twigs is always one less than the number of node. Co-tree. Complement of tree is known as co-tree. Complement of tree means, suppose we are having a graph and we formed a tree from that graph. The remaining branch of that graph, if we draw them by dotted line, then these are that will be known as co-tree. Links or chords. Branches which are not in the tree are called links or cords. Links and cords are suppose in a graph we are having many branches. If we take a tree and the remaining branch of that graph which are not in the tree are known as links or cords, branches of the graph that does not belong to particular tree. These are the some definitions of for graph theory.